Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best budget orbital polishers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Chemical Guy's Random Orbital Polisher. This polisher comes in a kit of 9 items that includes the polisher, 3 pads, and 4 bottles of polish. This is the dual-action polisher of choice for any beginner, hardcore enthusiast, or professional detailer looking for one simple, lightweight, and powerful machine that can do it all. The motor that powers this polisher is 120V and 700 watts. It's capable of producing 2,800 to 7,800 RPMs. This polisher stands out because it can effectively polish and remove scratches, swirls, and defects. The heavy-duty construction of this polisher makes it strong and durable for long-term use. You'll find this polisher easy to use. The potential drawback of this kit is that the polisher can vibrate on low speed settings. The pad for this polisher is also smaller than other polishers on this list. You may also find that the power switch is in an awkward place. Number 2. Our second best pick is Avid Power Buffer Polisher. If you're new to owning a polisher, this is a basic one that's perfect for getting started. It's a dual-action random orbital design. You can adjust the speed from 1,500 to 6,800 RPMs. There's a 6-inch pad plate and 3 included foam pads. What makes this polisher stand out is the rubberized body, ergonomic design, and easy-to-operate controls. The large D-shaped handle on the top of the polisher is adjustable into 3 positions, letting you choose the most comfortable position for the job. With a powerful motor, this random orbital polisher is perfect for polishing and removing swirls, scratches, and defects from all painted vehicles, reappearing the shine of your car. You can also use it to sand wood or metal. Unfortunately, the power is weak, and while it achieves high RPMs, it isn't as strong as other polishers. This polisher also vibrates at higher speeds. You may also find that the pads aren't very durable. Number 3. Our third best pick is DEWALT Variable Speed Polisher. This heavy-duty polisher, one of the most trusted names in hand tools. It can fit pads that are 7 or 9 inches in diameter. Powering the polisher is a 12-amp motor that can achieve 600 to 3,500 RPMs. What's nice about this polisher is that it has the power you need but is also lightweight at 6.7 pounds. Variable speed trigger allows the user to control speed from 0 to dialed maximum setting. Electronic module of the variable speed polisher maintains specified speed under load, delivering better finish results. This polisher stands out thanks to the wool ingestion shield that prevents your wool pad from getting caught up in the polisher's mechanisms. It also has a 3-position bail handle for greater control. One downside of this polisher is that the speed control can malfunction, which results in it getting stuck at one speed. The button placement also isn't the best, and you can accidentally hit them while polishing. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is ZOTA Long Throw Orbital Polisher. This orbital polisher has a large orbit throw. The pad plate will move in a broader circle to create the least amount of friction and heat during use, making it beginner-friendly. Achieve fast results with a 21mm long throw orbit and powerful 900-watt, contrast to the 8mm and amp, 15mm orbit normal polisher. This buffer polisher can let your car or boat shine quickly and safely. It has an adjustable speed from 2,000 to 4,800 RPMs, which is a nice range for most car owners. There are several accessories included, including a tote bag and 3 pads. Throughout the polisher, several features make using it more comfortable, including a rubberized grip, trigger lock, and head grip. Unfortunately, there is no user manual included with this polisher. However, this may not be a big deal for those who have experience with using polishers. Another issue with this polisher is that it may be unbalanced or vibrate during use. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is Ginour Orbital Carb Buffer Polisher. This dual-action polisher comes with two handles for you to choose from. There's a D-shaped handle on the top and a handlebar style that's mounted on the side. The motor is a 7.5 amp and 900 watts that can achieve 2,000 to 6,400 RPMs. This 7.5 and 900W motor provides stable speed for low noise. Comes with random orbit, swirl-free polishing/sanding action, can reduce the damage of machine tracks, burn marks, holograms, which is different from normal polisher or rotary machines. Perfect for polishing, waxing, polishing, buffing and removing swirls. Your arms will appreciate this orbital polisher's lighter weight of 5.7 pounds. Combine this with the compact size, and you have an easy-to-use design. There are also 5 pads included, which makes using your polisher right out of the box easy. With switch lock design, you can maintain a speed by locking down the button, greatly reducing fatigue. When the spindle is locked, you can quickly replace other accessories without using other tools. Constant power and constant speed allows the operation to be more steady. The downside of this polisher is that it tends to vibrate a lot. It's also quite loud when compared to other polishers. Be aware that if you push too hard, it will stop spinning. However, this is typical of orbital-style polishers. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.